Okay, so we're just stood outside this new listing in Venterbacher, very popular area. Green all year round with plenty of irrigation water. This is Casa Yvonne, and this is the entrance. Okay, so you've got printed concrete with all main services leading up to a kind of top corner plot, whereby we've got gated and fenced plot, and obviously access for a vehicle with off-road parking. This is a very nice 3-bed, 2-bath property, all one level, with the 8-metre pool there in the corner. Nice big covered terraces. It's been lived in full time, okay, so there's plenty of extras and everything is in very good condition. So yeah, nice pool there with the Roman steps and the rail. You've got the mountain in the distance as a backdrop. You've got big retaining wall here around the entire back of the plot, which is obviously retaining the olive grove behind. But yeah, that's all been painted very recently. Very nice, you're very quiet, you're set back off any roads, so you know, as far as kind of road noise is concerned, very minimal. That door there leads off of the master bedroom, which you'll see in a moment. We'll go around the front, where you've got a nice deep covered terrace, which is essentially south facing. So you've got these nice big arches. Okay, there's the covered terrace. So yeah, you've got kind of just a couple of steps up, but your view is very nice. It's open. You could obviously do a bit more with gardens if you're into that. Around the side here is a storage unit and a large water reserve behind that fence there. So that's all pumped poured water. It's 3,000 litres of stored water off the mains, and that's, you know, pumped high pressure into the property for showers and taps. There's a gas fire inside and gas hob, so that was the reason for the gas bottles on the side there. But yeah, really nice. Again, very quiet. It's got some lovely typical Spanish features, obviously with the arches. It's low maintenance at the moment, and inside it's a good sized property. This really nice kind of open plan living space, again with more arches, and a good sized kitchen. That, so you've got granite tops, there's dishwasher fitted, there's the gas hob, electric oven, separate utility room. You've got extra fridges and washing machine, freezer and storage. There's the gas heater for the hot water, which has just been renewed. And this property was built in 2004. Okay, so we're talking 16 years old, nicely established, but what's needed to be renewed has been done. So you've got the kind of dining room into lounge. There's the gas fire in the corner, nice and easy to use during the winter months. Nice wreckers on the windows. You've got the tiles are nice as well, kind of standard kind of terracotta looking tiles, although they're not terracotta, it's ceramic. Okay, so we've got 3 bedrooms at the back of the house, so they're going to stay nice and cool. This is bedroom number 1. They all again have fitted wardrobes and the ceiling fans. This is the general bathroom. So you've got shower overhead, glass screen there as well. Toilet, sink and bidet. Tiles actually haven't dated really, they're kind of acceptable. Bedroom number 2, it's a twin. And sorry, this one doesn't have the fitted wardrobes. They've gone for drawers. Obviously this is for family and friends staying on for holidays. And then finally the master bedroom, which has got a really good size triple sliding wardrobe door there with storage inside. Large double bed. You got the ensuite shower room with a big walk-in shower, glass screen, storage, really nicely fitted out. And then this has got the door which leads out onto the pool terrace and the view. Fantastic. Okay, so this has just been listed at €199,000. This is, yeah, fantastic, very kind of location wise high in demand, walking distance to all amenities, but relatively flat. You've got the pool, 3-bedroom detached villa, plenty of extras. So if you want details on Casa Yvonne, contact us directly on 0034 696522 171, or indeed view the website at villasolutions.net. Thank you.